Alright guys, what's up YouTube? Alright, check this out. Got my bike back from the shop. So we should be getting ready to ride this pig next month. I'm gonna do some little bit of cleaning up on this bad boy. Might get some new tires, I'm not sure yet. But here she is. Look at this pig. Huh? Look at that pig. It's my ride. It's my ride. Just got it back from the shop. Yep. Headlight switch went out. Runs the blinkers and all that good stuff. Just got it back. We put a new license plate thing on there. Yep, right there, boy. She needs to be polished up. Ready to ride. We're gonna be riding here, so it's gonna be a short video, guys. It's a short video. Just showing you what's coming up next. Boom.